One plug-in against a 90s classic synthesizer. No EQ, no tricks, just your ears. Can you tell which one is real? Hey producers. Today we're doing an honest sound test. Roland JD-990 versus JADE by the usual suspects. Before we start, something important. Everything you're about to hear is played from MIDI clips. No demo songs, no factory examples, just self-written chords and melodies. So the comparison stays fair and legally clean. At the end, I'll share my verdict, and you decide in the comments whether you can hear the difference. The JD-990 is a cult synth from the 90s. Many producers love its sound, but the hardware is expensive, rare, and needs maintenance. JADE promises that exact character in plug-in form. The question is, does the plug-in deliver? Here's how I tested. Both units play the exact same MIDI files. I dumped the presets from JADE to the JD-990 to make sure the data is the same. All recordings are normalized and leveled with a meter. No additional effects, no EQ, no compressor, pure direct sound. Now let's compare the sounds. opinion, JADE gets surprisingly close to the original. Maybe the JD-990 sounds a little bit warmer and has more sub, but that's settled. Now it's your turn. Do they sound the same to you? Or can you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. Until then, happy producing.